Okay, small marshmallows, perfect. Grandma, where are you? We have to start doing something right now. Grandma, Grandma.
I'm coming.
I feel lonely. I'm so lonely, not copyright. I'm just saying I'm lonely. I'm so lonely, because that's true. Hi, Grandma.
My head just lit on fire.
Hey, guys.
You know?
Sorry for you, Grandma. Anyway, okay, Grandma, can you talk normally? Because we're trying to do an intro right now.
What's the intro?
Okay, Grandma, can you like go back into your childhood memories? Didn't you like YouTube or like I don't know what you like to do? That was like a billion years ago.
What?
Okay, Grandma,
Yes.
can you just say hi to my friends?
Hi. Is they your imaginary friends?
Grandma, I have friends.
Wait, you have friends? Oh, okay, honey.
Oh wait, you have a family? Oh!
Yes, I do. You're part of it. You're part of my family.
Not today. Bye. My God! I'm using
Jump in the water.
it. Okay,
Jump in the water.
I will. Ah!
Grandma can't run unless it's gonna
Water. Okay. Anyways, I'm just look at I already had a channel before, but it got banned or it got shut down. Anyways, so today, Miss Lyra, or you can call my grandma. She's gonna. I have to say yes to her. I have to say yes to her for 24 hours. Okay, Granny or Lyra, what's your first command?
You used to dress up like a baby. Can you dress up like a baby?
No. Wait, I have to just say something to Grandma for a sec. Okay, Grandma, are you sure, or do you want to do something else?
You know what? I'm gonna stop doing that stupid grandma voice. I'm gonna lose my voice.
Exactly.
Can we go to Bloxburg?
Yes.
Wait, can I change before we leave? I don't want to be a grandma anymore.
Okay.
You know I'm not staying like this forever, right? Grandma is young.
Okay. Did you seriously name yourself Grandma Lyra?
You have a problem.
I have a very big problem.
Oh.
Okay, guys, read my outfit. 1 out of 21. You probably say that. 21.
One plus one.
What's
Well,
not
anyway,
plus
let's
damn?
get to Bloxburg.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna. Okay. Who's gonna? Do I teleport to you? Do I join your game? I mean.
Sure. Yay!
Okay. Okay, we're here in Bloxburg. That's what you wanted. Okay. Well, now, what's your second command?
A girl in our house.
What you say? What?
There's this girl in our house. Technically my house, but whatever. She doesn't stop her moves, so this is how much my second order is my new best friend.
Yes. I'm forced to say that, but you're truly my best friend either way, so yeah.
Wow. Can you make me food?
Okay, what do you want?
I want cookies.
She wants cookies and milk. Oh, wait. Did she get that? Oh, she's sitting on. Okay, guys, shout out to this girl. I like how she's like in this house like it's hers.
I'm just gonna this banana man.
Okay, cookies, 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 cookies. I'm gonna waste half of my money on this. Like a lot of money. Do you know what I can get with 13 bucks?
What?
I can get cookies.
Wait, you only have 13 bucks?
No, of course not. I have 1K.
Oh.
But I'm pretty poor though. Yesterday you had like 45K, something like that.
Well, now I don't. So I only have to.
Shout out to this girl. I like how she's sitting over there.
So my names are in the table.
Do you want anything with the cook? Oh, right, you wanted milk. I didn't know you were healthy. Never mind. Cookies are not healthy, I think. Only if they're like protein cookies.
I love milk. Okay.
Almond milk?
I've not maybe I shouldn't say this on the
You know what? It's not my problem. Any milk you have in this house, I'm gonna give it to you either way.
Hey, lyrics, how about you just show them my beautiful picture frame over there in the back?
What do you say?
How about you show them that beautiful picture behind you? The one near my door.
Wow, it's very. Oh, alright. Oh, this is my best friend. My second best friend. My second best friend is this girl.
And your second?
No, the second best friend is the picture. I'm kidding.
I was gonna say, I'm almost done with the cookies.
I want. Wow, a milk for
I'm done.
$1. That's literally how much he gave me.
No.
You're done with the cookies? Okay. Okay, do you have another command? Because I want to get this day over with.
Yes.
What is it?
Can you give me $100?
Oh my god. Okay. Give me. Okay, I'm done.
Don't worry, I'll say. Hashtag regifting.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna give you back my money. I'm gonna give you $100.
Now just give me 99. You already gave me one.
Okay, one is a lot. Like you can get a lot of stuff, like from that. Okay, is she gonna look at
You know what it can give you?
a potato picture?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Anyway, no, it can give you milk.
You need some milk.
You need some milk.
Okay, Lyra.
Well,
okay, what's your other command?
let me see it. My next command is we go to another game. Wait, what's that game?
What game though? I'm not gonna choose, so yeah.
I have another command. Can you give me an idea for what game we can play?
Yes. The game that we can play, that this game is gonna get over.
Anyway, I'm gonna, just do something really sad for you.
Really what?
I dare you to go read. Can you go read?
I don't even know how to read. I never went to school. That's why my grammar is really bad. I'm really bad at grammar. I'm kidding. I'm pretty good.
Where did we meet then?
We met at Dumb Elementary School. Yeah, dumb elementary
No,
school.
no, we didn't go to school. We went to elementary.
Elementary is not a school. Okay. Okay,
Oh,
Lyra, can you please get correct? Lock it for guests. Lock it. Lock it.
I lost it. Well, I'm gonna see that.
Did you lock it?
No, I'm lost.
I'm doing what you're doing right now. I'm not gonna go to
No.
work. Did you lock the bathroom?
Nope, I lost it. I'm gonna go. I have another command.
What is it? I locked it.
Can you choose the picture for me here to any potato?
Okay.
Any potato you'd like.
Okay. Your wish is my command. Oh.
Here's that.
I hope this.
Yay!
Yes. Yes. Which one? I like. Which one do I feel like? Ooh, damn. Yes, looking good. So, do you like it?
I can do. Didn't even.
I did. I promise I did. Well, sadly, it didn't work. Okay. Yeah.
Oh!
It's working.
Oh my god, so pretty. Thank you. That's the best thing
Okay.
ever. I have an idea.
What
I
is
have the best idea on earth.
Okay,
What I'm gonna do?
can you give me some juicy commands?
I dare you to go up to a random person beside me and, just eat, eat an apple at their face. Actually, no. If it's a boy, take your shoe off and eat it as you must.
Sadly, this is Roblox, so we can't do it. So we can't do that. This is sadness.
Okay, well then go to a random person
Okay,
beside
okay.
me.
You know what? I have an idea what to say to strangers. Just come with me.
I'm concerned already. Oh, there's a stranger over there.
That's that's a robot.
I know.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna say to them. You know what?
I didn't say it had to be a real person because I don't want to embarrass you. Wait, that person's gonna deliver the pizza. Hurry!
I was trying to say this girl has a booty rush. Oh no, I have to run. I have to run. Oh. Please don't kick me out of your house.
What? Turn on the damn light. Stop playing with my light.
Then if I don't stop, what are you gonna do?
It's a command. You have to say yes to everything I say.
No.
Well, it was your idea in the first place, and I told you before we were recording you're gonna make the biggest mistake of your life.
Oh really?
Well,
You said that?
I'm gonna paint something over here, and I hope you like it. Let me just.
Okay.
I mean, paint.
You want me to paint? No.
No, I want to paint.
Sorry, I already did. Sorry. Oh wait, I have to tell you something. There's like literally 1 minute left for this video. I have to do the outro.
Okay. Let's do that.
So I hope you guys didn't enjoy this video because, like.
Oh, that was rude, but whatever.
That wasn't fun.
Probably the next video is me saying yes to her.
Yeah. Don't spoil.
Okay, you know what? I'll do it under one condition.
What?
If you don't tell me to delete my house, because I love this house.
No, I will never do that. I'm not that mean.
Oh my god.
I mean, like, I can make you a co-owner and delete my house because I don't mind that. I hate my house anyways. I don't even have a house.
Okay. Well, you better say bye.
Goodbye.